Did you know your gut is home to trillions of tiny organisms working around the clock to keep you healthy? What you eat, how you feel, and how you sleep all shape this internal metropolis. Today, I'll show you 5 simple, game-changing ways to boost your gut health and unlock more energy, a clearer mind, and a better you. This isn't just about avoiding bloating, it's about transforming your health from the inside out. Ready to become the best mayor your gut city has ever had? Let's dive in. If you're excited, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more gut health tips. Alright, let's get started. First up, fiber. It's the unsung hero of nutrition, often overlooked but absolutely essential for a thriving, happy gut. If you've ever wondered what keeps your digestive system humming along, fiber is the answer. It's not just about keeping things moving, it's about creating a foundation for total body wellness. Think of fiber as the VIP fuel for your gut's good bacteria. These tiny microbes rely on fiber to survive and flourish. And when they're happy, you feel the difference. More energy, better digestion, and even a brighter mood. Your gut is like a bustling city, and fiber is the power grid that keeps everything running smoothly. Our ancestors ate up to 100 grams of fiber a day. Most of us barely get 15. Imagine the difference. Their plates were piled high with wild plants, roots, seeds, and fruits, while today's diets are often dominated by processed foods stripped of their natural fiber. This dramatic shift has left our guts undernourished and struggling to keep up. No wonder our guts are struggling. When we don't get enough fiber, we can feel sluggish, bloated, and uncomfortable. It's like trying to run a marathon on an empty tank. Our digestive systems crave the roughage and nourishment that only fiber can provide. The fix? Simple swaps. Add berries and chia seeds to your yogurt, and you instantly boost your fiber intake without sacrificing flavor. These tiny changes can make a big difference over time, helping you feel fuller and more satisfied after meals. Toss chickpeas in your salad, and you're not just adding crunch, you're giving your gut a feast. Chickpeas are loaded with both soluble and insoluble fiber, which means they help regulate blood sugar and keep your digestive tract in top shape. Or swap white rice for quinoa. Quinoa isn't just trendy, it's a fiber powerhouse, packed with protein and essential nutrients. Making this simple switch can help you feel more energized and satisfied after meals, while also supporting your gut health. Whole grains like oatmeal and barley are your gut's best friends. They're rich in prebiotics, which are special types of fiber that feed your beneficial gut bacteria. Starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal or adding barley to soups and stews is a delicious way to nurture your microbiome. When you eat more fiber, your gut bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids, tiny health boosters that strengthen your gut lining and even improve your mood. These compounds help reduce inflammation, support your immune system, and may even lower your risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Increase fiber gradually and eat a variety of fruits, veggies, and grains to keep your gut microbiome diverse and strong. Diversity is key. Each type of fiber feeds different bacteria, so the more variety you eat, the more resilient your gut becomes. If you're new to fiber, start slow. Sudden increases can cause discomfort, so add a little more each day. Your gut will adjust, and soon you'll notice the benefits: better digestion, more regularity, and a lighter, more energetic feeling overall. Snack smart, apples with almond butter, carrot sticks with hummus, or even a handful of berries can satisfy your cravings and give your gut the fiber it needs. These snacks are easy to prepare, portable, and packed with nutrients, or a handful of nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are not only rich in fiber, but also provide healthy fats and protein. They're the perfect snack for busy days, keeping you full and focused between meals. Try a new high-fiber food this week, maybe lentil soup or roasted broccoli. Exploring new recipes can make healthy eating exciting and help you discover flavors and textures you love. Lentils, beans, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli are all-stars when it comes to fiber content. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. Mix and match grains, legumes, and veggies to create vibrant, fiber-rich meals that are as beautiful as they are nourishing. The more colors on your plate, the more nutrients you're getting. Remember, fiber isn't just about digestion, it's about fueling your body's health factory. A well-fed gut supports your immune system, helps regulate hormones, and even communicates with your brain to influence your mood and mental clarity. Every colorful plate is an investment in your well-being. Think of each meal as an opportunity to nourish your body from the inside out. The more variety and color you include, the more you're supporting your gut and overall health. So, let's make fiber a daily habit and watch your energy soar. You'll notice the difference not just in your digestion, but in your mood, your focus, and your overall vitality. It's a small change with big rewards. Your gut will thank you. With every fiber-rich bite, you're building a stronger, healthier you. It's never too late to start, and every step counts. On to the next tip. Let's keep building your healthiest self, one simple change at a time. Next up, hydration. Water is essential for every gut function, from breaking down food to keeping things moving. Fiber needs water to work its magic. Without enough, things get sluggish, so drink up. How much water? Listen to your body. If you're thirsty or your pee is dark, it's time for a refill. Make water fun. Infuse it with lemon, cucumber, or berries for a refreshing twist. Eat water-rich foods like watermelon, cucumbers, and oranges for bonus hydration. Keep a water bottle handy, at your desk, in your bag, everywhere. Sip throughout the day, not just when you're parched. Hydration boosts energy, prevents brain fog, and keeps your gut bacteria happy. Before reaching for coffee, try a glass of water. You might be surprised at the energy boost. Make hydration a habit and your gut will thrive. Cheers to a healthier, happier digestive system. Ready for tip 3? Let's go. Have you ever noticed how your stomach seems to tie itself in knots when you're anxious, or how you might get butterflies before a big event? That's not just your imagination. Stress and your gut are deeply connected. In fact, your gut is sometimes called your second brain because it's so sensitive to your emotions. When you're stressed, your gut feels it too, and it can react in all sorts of ways, from mild discomfort to more serious digestive issues. Chronic stress doesn't just make you feel tense, it can actually disrupt the delicate balance of bacteria in your gut, slow down your digestion, and even trigger inflammation. Over time, this can lead to symptoms like bloating, cramps, constipation, or diarrhea. It's not just about feeling uncomfortable. Ongoing stress can make it harder for your gut to absorb nutrients, weaken your immune system, and even affect your mood. That's because your gut and brain are in constant communication, sending signals back and forth through a network of nerves, hormones, and chemical messengers. So, what can you do to break this cycle and give your gut a fighting chance? The answer is to build a stress-busting toolkit that works for you. Meditation is a powerful way to calm your mind and body, and it doesn't have to be complicated. Just a few minutes of focused breathing can make a difference. Deep breathing exercises help activate your body's relaxation response, slowing your heart rate and easing tension. And don't underestimate the power of a simple walk in nature. Being outdoors, surrounded by greenery, can lower your stress hormones and help your gut relax too. Yoga, Tai Chi, or even gentle stretching can also help you reconnect with your body and soothe your digestive system. But stress relief isn't just about quiet moments alone. Laughter is one of the most effective natural stress busters out there. When you laugh, your body releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that help counteract stress and boost your mood. So, watch a funny video, call a friend who always makes you giggle, or spend time with people who lift your spirits. Even a few minutes of genuine laughter can help your gut relax and function better. Another powerful tool for gut health is mindful eating. In our busy lives, it's easy to eat on autopilot, scrolling through your phone, watching TV, or rushing through meals. But when you slow down and really focus on your food, you help your gut do its job. Savor each bite, notice the flavors and textures, and try to eat in a calm, relaxed environment. This not only improves digestion, but also helps you tune into your body's hunger and fullness signals, making it easier to avoid overeating or eating out of stress. Don't forget the value of hobbies and creative activities. Whether it's painting, gardening, playing music, or crafting, these activities give your mind a break from daily worries and let your body unwind. When you're absorbed in something you love, your stress levels drop, and your gut gets a much-needed chance to recover. Even just a few minutes a day spent doing something creative can make a big difference in how you feel, both mentally and physically. Setting boundaries is another essential part of protecting your peace and your gut. In a world that's always on, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by constant notifications, emails, and demands. Give yourself permission to unplug, close your laptop, put your phone on silent, or hang a do not disturb sign when you need a break. These small acts of self-care send a powerful message to your body. It's okay to rest, and when you rest, your gut can heal and restore itself. It's important to remember that you can eat all the fiber, drink plenty of water, and load up on superfoods, but if you're constantly stressed, your gut won't be able to thrive. Stress can override even the healthiest habits, making it harder for your body to benefit from good nutrition. That's why managing stress is just as important as what you put on your plate. Your gut needs both nourishment and a sense of safety to function at its best. Managing stress isn't a luxury, it's a must-have for gut health. Think of it as a daily practice, like brushing your teeth or drinking water. Try different techniques to see what works for you. Maybe it's yoga, journaling, or joining a stress management workshop. The key is to make stress relief a regular part of your routine, not just something you do when you're already overwhelmed. Start by identifying your personal stress triggers. Is it work deadlines, family responsibilities, or social pressures? Once you know what sets you off, you can experiment with different ways to relax and reset. Maybe you need to take a few deep breaths, write in a journal, or try a new relaxation technique at home. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to manage stress before it takes a toll on your gut. Remember, you don't have to eliminate stress completely. Life will always have its ups and downs. The goal is to build resilience, so you can handle challenges without letting them overwhelm you. balance work and relaxation, and give yourself credit for the small steps you take each day. Over time, you'll notice that your gut feels calmer, your mood is brighter, and you're better equipped to handle whatever comes your way. A calm mind leads to a calm gut, and vice versa. When you take care of your mental well-being, your digestive system responds in kind. It's a two-way street. Nurture one, and you nurture the other. So, make relaxation a priority, and notice how your body thanks you in return. Right now, take a deep breath in, and let it out slowly. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw unclench, and your stomach soften. Even this simple act can help your gut feel better almost instantly. Remember, you have the power to create calm from the inside out. Now that you know how stress and gut health are linked, let's move on to the next pillar and keep building your healthiest self. Sleep is your gut's nightly reset. Every night, as you drift off into slumber, your body enters a state of deep restoration, and your gut is no exception. While you may think of sleep as a time when everything slows down, your gut is actually hard at work, performing essential maintenance that keeps you healthy and energized for the day ahead. While you rest, your gut repairs, cleans up, and balances itself. The lining of your intestines regenerates, and your gut bacteria get a chance to rebalance after a busy day of digesting food and fighting off harmful invaders. This nightly reset is crucial for keeping your digestive system running smoothly, and for supporting your immune system, which relies heavily on a healthy gut. But what happens when you don't get enough sleep? Poor sleep increases inflammation, and disrupts your gut's natural rhythms, making it less resilient. You might notice more bloating, discomfort, or even changes in your appetite. Over time, chronic sleep deprivation can weaken your gut barrier, making it easier for toxins and harmful bacteria to slip through and trigger inflammation throughout your body. Your gut bacteria help produce sleep hormones like serotonin and melatonin, so a healthy gut means better sleep and vice versa. Serotonin, often called the feel-good hormone, is mostly made in your gut, and it's a key building block for melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. When your gut is balanced, these hormones flow smoothly, helping you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed. Prioritize sleep hygiene, go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This consistency helps set your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Over time, your gut and your brain will thank you for this regular rhythm, as it supports both digestion and mental clarity. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Dim the lights, read a book, or do some gentle stretches. These calming activities signal to your body that it's time to wind down, reducing stress hormones that can interfere with both sleep and gut health. Or listen to calming music. Soft melodies can slow your heart rate and quiet your mind, making it easier to drift off. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing or meditation before bed can help your gut relax and prepare for a night of healing. Make your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet for optimal rest. Blackout curtains, a comfortable mattress, and a cool temperature can make a world of difference. Your gut, like the rest of your body, thrives when you sleep deeply and without interruption. Avoid heavy meals and caffeine before bed to help your gut and brain wind down. Eating late at night forces your gut to keep working when it should be resting, and caffeine can linger in your system for hours, making it harder to fall asleep. Try to finish your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime and opt for herbal teas instead of coffee in the evening. Even a short nap can help if you're sleep deprived. Just keep it under 30 minutes. Napping too long can disrupt your nighttime sleep, but a quick power nap can boost your mood, sharpen your focus, and give your gut a little extra time to recover from the stresses of the day. Treat sleep as a non-negotiable for gut health. Just as you wouldn't skip meals or neglect hydration, make sleep a top priority in your daily routine. Your gut is counting on you to give it the rest it needs to function at its best. When you sleep well, your gut and your whole body benefit. You'll notice better digestion, more energy, a stronger immune system, and even a brighter mood. The connection between your gut and your sleep is powerful. Nourish both, and you'll feel the difference from the inside out. Give your gut the rest it deserves tonight. Embrace the power of a good night's sleep and let your body and mind recharge. Remember, every night is a new opportunity to support your gut health and set yourself up for a vibrant, energetic tomorrow. Now let's energize your gut with movement. As you wake up refreshed, remember that gentle morning activity can further support your gut's natural rhythms, helping you feel your best all day long. Exercise isn't just for your muscles, it's a game changer for your gut. Physical activity boosts the diversity of your gut bacteria, making your internal ecosystem stronger and more resilient. Even moderate movement, walking, cycling, dancing, can help your gut thrive. Exercise stimulates digestion and helps prevent sluggishness and bloating. It also increases the production of short-chain fatty acids, which keep your gut lining healthy. You don't need to be an athlete, just move consistently and find activities you enjoy. Mix it up, walk one day, dance the next, try yoga or gardening. Exercise is also a powerful stress reliever, giving your gut a double benefit. If you sit a lot, take breaks to stretch or walk every hour. Every bit of movement counts toward a healthier gut. Your gut bacteria are cheering you on with every step. Make movement a regular part of your routine. You're almost there. Let's wrap it up. You've learned the 5 pillars of gut health: fiber, hydration, stress management, sleep, and movement. Start small. Pick one area to focus on this week and take a simple step, like adding berries to breakfast or carrying a water bottle. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Share your plan in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're taking charge of your gut health. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips. And remember, take care of your gut, and it will take care of you. See you next time.